Hi everyone, warm welcome to mathematics class. The small aim is a crime. Have a great aim. By saying this, let us start our mathematics class. We are discussing regarding whole numbers. In the previous classes, we have discussed exercise 2.2, first to fourth main. In this session, let us discuss fifth, sixth, and seventh problems. In the fifth problem, they have given, you can observe here, a taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liter of petrol. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. On which day? On Monday. That next day he filled the tank with 50 liter of petrol. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? How much did he spend on all on petrol? We have to find out. You can observe here, children, what happens here. A taxi driver, how we need food. In the same way, vehicles are need petrol or diesel. Here, taxi driver, what he will do? He will fill the petrol for the car. On Monday, how many liters of petrol he filled to the tank? That is 40 liter of petrol. Next, on Tuesday, how many liter of petrol he filled? That is 50 liter of petrol. The cost of petrol on Monday also same only. The cost of petrol on Tuesday also the same cost. That is how much? Rupees 44. We have to find out total how much amount he need to spend for petrol. Let us take. Now you can observe here first number solution. Number of liter of petrol filled on Monday. On Monday, how many liter of petrol filled? 40 liter. In the same way, number of liter of petrol filled on Tuesday. How many liter of petrol he filled on Tuesday? That is 50 liter of petrol he filled on Tuesday. The same way, the cost of each liter means how many liter? 1 liter of petrol. The cost of each liter of petrol. Each liter of petrol. How much? Rupees. How much? Rupees 44 per liter means that is 1 liter. Next, now we have to find out what he spent in on petrol. For amount what he spent for to fill the petrol, we have to find out. How we are going to find out? You can observe here. Therefore, he spent in on petrol is equals to, you can observe here, children, first day how many liters of petrol he filled? That is 40 liter. For 40 liter, how much cost he has to pay? How you are going to calculate? For 40 liter, for 1 liter it is 44 means for 40 liters, how you are going to do? You are going to do addition or multiplication or division or subtraction. You have to do multiplication. For example, the cost of 1 pen is 5. The cost of 1 pen is rupees 5. In the same way, the cost of 10 pens, how you are going to find? You have to multiply what? 10 into 5, then easily you will get what? The cost of 10 pens. In the same way, the cost of 1 liter of petrol is 44. Next, we have to find out the cost of 40 liter of petrol. Then what we have to do? You have to multiply 40 into 44. 40 into 44. Next day also he filled the petrol. How many liter of petrol he filled? That is 50 liter. In the same way, next day also he filled 50 liter of petrol into 44. Now the both amount, what we have to do? If you get the total amount means what you have to do means you will get total amount. You have to do addition. You have to perform addition, then you will get total amount is spent for petrol. Now you can observe here. Here, can you say which property we can apply here? It is in the form of which property? Can you identify? That is which property? That is distributivity. A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. Now it is in the form of A into B plus A into C. So we have to write in the form of what? A into B plus C. Then what happens? Here which is the common term? That is 44. Then what remains? 40 plus 50. 40 plus 50. Now 44, 40 plus 50 is equals to 90. Now you have to do what? 90 into 44 also you can multiply, or 44 into 90 also you can multiply. If you multiply, bracket means what? Bracket means you have to multiply the terms. So now you can see here 0 is there, keep 0 as it is. 9 4s are, 9 4s how much? 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. Key 6 we have to keep, 3 we have to keep carry to the next place, that is tens place. 9 4s are again 36. 36 plus 3 39. So how much amount is spent? That is 3,960 rupees is spent for what? Petrol. Therefore the amount he spent, who is he? He spent for petrol is rupees 3,960. Rupees 3,960. The same way, next we will consider sixth problem. A vendor supplies 32 liter of milk to a hotel. A vendor supplies how many liter of milk to a hotel? 32 liter of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liter of milk in the evening. If the milk costs rupees 45 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor? How much money is due to the vendor per day? Now you can observe here children, a vendor supplies. One vendor is there, he is supplying what? Milk to what? Hotel. In the morning, how many liter of milk he will supply? That is 32 liter of petrol. In the evening, how many liter of milk he is supplying? That is 68 liter of petrol. Are you understanding? Morning, how many liter of petrol he is to give for the hotel? That is 32 liter of milk. Evening, how many liter of milk he used to give? That is 68 liter of milk. Now, you have to find out what? The cost of the amount, how much he will get by selling the, by giving the what? Milk. Now, they have given is the milk cost. For 1 liter of milk, how much cost he will get? That is rupees 45. In the same way, for evening and morning what is supplied the milk, for that how much amount you will get, we have to calculate. So for that what we have to take? First, number of liter of milk, number of liter of milk supplies in morning. In morning how many liter of milk he is supplying? That is 32 liter of milk. How many liter of milk he is supplying in the morning? That is 32 liter. In the same way, number of liter of milk supplies in evening. In the evening, how many liter of milk he is supplying? In the evening, can you say? That is 68 liter of milk is supplying in the evening. Now, next the cost of each liter of milk. Each liter means how many liter of milk? Each liter of milk is, each liter means 1 liter. How much 1 liter of milk cost? That is rupees 45. Rupees 45 is the cost of 1 liter of milk. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out how much vendor want to get the amount. Therefore, how much money is due to the vendor per day? Is get to the vendor per day. The amount vendor get per day. How much amount? How we are going to calculate? Now in the same way what we have performed in the previous sum, the same operation we have to perform here also. Now we have to find out first how much amount you will get for 32 liter of milk, and next how much amount you will get for 68 liter of milk. Then easily you can calculate. Then easily you can get what? The total amount. First see 32 liter into 45 rupees. The same way 68 into 45. So what we have to, if we get total amount means what we have to do? We have to add. Now it is in the form of what? You can observe here it is in the form of distributive property. So that is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Then now we have to write in the form of what? A into B plus C. Now what happens? 45 if you take how much means what left living in the inside the bracket? 32 plus 68. Next 45. 32 plus 68 how much? That is add and see 32 68 plus 32 8 plus 2 10 carry 1 100. How much? 100. If 100 comes it's very easy to multiply. The how? 40 very easy. 1 5 is 5, 1 4 is 4, 0 0. Then it is we have to represent in rupees. Therefore the vendor get amount per day is rupees 4,500. Rupees 4,500. The same way, let us consider 7th main. You can observe here children. Match the following. What? Match the following. First one 425 into 136 is equals to 425 into 6 plus 3 plus 100. Next 2 into 49 into 50 is equals to 2 into 50 into 49. 80 plus 2005 plus 20. 80 plus 20 plus 2005. They have given. We have to match it. In the B column you can observe here commutativity under multiplication, commutativity under addition, and distributivity of multiplication. They have multiplication over addition they have given. You can observe here first here this for first one is applying for which property? Can you guess? Yes, easily you can observe here. Now here it is in the form of what? Distributivity. See 425 you have to multiply with 6 also, 425 you have to multiply with 30 also, 425 you have to multiply with 100 also, or 425 into 136 if you multiply means also you will get the same product. So we can conclude that 425 into 136 is equals to 425 into 6 plus 30 plus 100 is distributivity of multiplication over addition. So it is what? 1. Next in the same way 2 into it is, can you identify which property we are applied here? That is into is there, it is multiplication. So which property here? Commutativity. If you multiply the given numbers in any order you will get what? You will get equal product only. Then it is commutativity under multiplication. So second one. The same way third one, can you guess? Yeah, it is very easy. It is also commutativity under addition. Commutativity under addition. Here you can observe here the numbers we have taken. We can add the number in any order, then the sum you will get equal only. Then we can conclude that 80 plus 2005 plus 20 is equals to 80 plus 20 plus 2005 is comes under the commutative property. I hope you understood this session children. If you have any doubt you can ask. Keep watching our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.